Add background blur in Photoshop with these simple steps. Go to Select, Subject, and Photoshop will select your object automatically. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate. Right click on the object, select pixels, go to Select again, click on Modify, Expand, and expand it about 10 to 20 pixels. Now hide your layer 1, click on the first layer, go to Edit, Fill, and make sure it is on Content Aware. Click OK. Unhide the first layer, deselect your selection. Now go to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur, set the radius according to your need. I will do about 30 and click OK, and there you have it. Subscribe for more videos like this.